Good evening, everyone. You are watching the latest news bulletin from Orissa Ray. I am Ishani Chattaraj, bringing you the top stories from Orissa and across India. Heat wave forces early school closure. In a major decision and rising temperatures, the government of Orissa has announced an early summer vacation for all schools across the state. The decision comes in response to the intense heat wave conditions currently affecting several districts. All educational institutions will remain closed starting April 27th as authorities prioritize the safety and well-being of all students. Officials have advised parents and children to avoid outdoor activities during peak daytime hours. Behrampur murder case probe depends. In a shocking development from Behrampur, police have intensified their investigation into the abduction and murder of businessman Sudhir Patra. Investigators now suspect a wider conspiracy behind the crime. Authorities are working to identify additional individuals involved and determine the exact motive. The incident has triggered serious concerns over policing, with the response of law enforcement agencies coming under public scrutiny. Cybercrime crackdown in Sambalpur. In Sambalpur, 5 youths have been arrested for allegedly circulating an objectionable video of a young woman on social media. The arrests were carried out by the Cyber Police Station. Authorities have reiterated strict action against those involved in online harassment and violations of privacy. Rath Yatra preparations gain momentum. Preparations for the Grand Rath Yatra are in full swing in Puri. Construction activity at the Rathakala has picked up pace, with servitors working intensively on the 3 chariots. The annual festival attracts lakhs of devotees and remains one of Orissa's most significant cultural and religious events. Bus accident in Balasore. A major road accident has been reported near Balasore, where a pilgrim bus heading towards Bhubaneswar overturned near Shergar. The accident reportedly occurred after the driver lost control of the vehicle. Several passengers sustained injuries and were rushed to nearby hospitals. Authorities are monitoring the situation closely. Record voter turnout in Bengal. Moving to national news, India's democratic spirit was on full display as West Bengal recorded a remarkable voter turnout. Chief Justice of India, Suryakant, expressed pride, stating that high voter participation strengthens the democratic framework of the nation. The turnout in the ongoing elections has reached nearly 90%, reflecting strong public engagement. Political buzz intensifies. In a major political development, Raghav Chadha has sparked controversy by claiming that he, along with 6 other members of the parliament, will join BJP. The statement has triggered sharp reactions with the Aam Aadmi Party and added fresh momentum to the political landscape. Global reaction. Iran responds to Trump remark. On the international front, Iran has responded sharply to comment made by former US President Donald Trump, inviting him to visit India after his controversial remark referring to certain regions as hellholes. Entertainment update. Bollywood superstar Salman Khan has officially announced his next film with director Vamshi Padipalli featuring actress Nayanthara. The film is slated for an Eid 2027 release, creating excitement among fans. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching Orissa Ray News. Have a safe and pleasant evening. Thank you.